Jishe, nganong kuangan man ni ang akong gipalit murag na akay something nga gikuha. Why are you hiding behind the door?
Hey, let's go.
Hey, let's go. What is that? Hey, nasakpan! Nasakpan! Hey! Hey, nasakpan ka! No! Diba I told you you are not going to eat junk foods?
Huh?
Then why are you hiding behind the door with the fish cracker on your hand? No.
Mama.
Yes. You want that?
Thank you.
It's so salty. That's not good for your body.
Okay ra ka?